Hi, this is Anna with Big Bear Vans, and today we are getting this van ready for the pickup. So we also have in the van, it's very important to have some space for the garbage. So we usually place a small, easy to use and also that seals the smells bin. So let's see if it fits. Yeah, I think we will place it under the sink. This is a very useful device in the van to quickly brush off the sand. So in some wasted space here, we can put the cleaning set and now the soap. So we need to take off the original lid and dispenser and put the one that goes with the sink. So it also has a lid. Okay, so we will attach it here next to the filter. This is easily interchangeable. You can put a bigger one here so you will never run out of soap. You can use this space and all the space around the sink with this extra shelf. And this is the soap line. So the soap line goes to the soap bottle. So this van has 5 people to sit and sleep. So this is an extra click-in seat for the front row, and this is a double swivel seat here. So 5 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be riding in this van. It's time to add blackout curtains. The excessive fabric that goes over the hooks will go in that space. We will tuck it in behind the wall cabinets. So then when we are going to use the curtain, there will be no light here. I highly recommend using all kinds of lightweight baskets so that you can separate the space. For example, you have a shelf, you can put 2 baskets. You can also place these things in the drawer, something like this. So I really like natural rugs. They are machine washable and it's very easy to take out and just, take all the dust away. You can put it, for example, in the kitchen area. So if you are cooking and you are barefooted, that will add a nice feel to your feet. I really love these organizers as well. They take very little space. And we are going to place hooks on this wall for the coats, but instead of the coats you can use these wall organizers as well when needed. This is our final step. Okay, ta-da, it's here. These are used for the cabinets.